Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah and today I'm going to share with you a full day of low carb eating. If you're new here or if you just haven't subscribed to my channel yet, or both, please do so now by hitting the button right down below, and that way you get to see all the new videos that I make. I post 3 times a week. I'm mostly health related and weight loss related videos. So, I mean, if you're into that, then I don't know why you wouldn't subscribe to my channel. Listen to this girl. For breakfast, I am having / already had because it's all gone, some iced coffee, and I know it's in a hot coffee cup, but my place that I get my coffee was out of their regular cups for iced coffee. Actually, it kind of tasted better this way. I don't know. Is that a weird mind trick? Probably. It was just heavy cream and coffee. I'm really excited about today because I already have everything already planned out in my tracking app that I use, which if you were wondering what I use, it's called Carb Manager. And this girl, she's really trying me right now. If you're wondering what tracking app I use Carb Manager. It's really helpful. It's pretty basic and user-friendly, and it does have like a premium membership you can do to be able to use other features of the app, but I just use it as it comes free, so I never run into any issues. I like using a tracking app because it does all the math for me because your girl sucks at math. So I already have everything all planned out and I don't plan on straying away. I'm also going to be trying on camera my new yogurt that I got from Whole Foods, the Kite Hill plain unsweetened almond milk yogurt. I don't know how to feel about it. I'm kind of nervous. Other than that, I guess I'll just see y'all at lunch. I'm in like a really weird hyped mood right now. I don't know if the coffee hit me in a weird way. I feel weird, but good, but like weird. Real quick before the next clip, I just have to show you that I am constantly improving my aesthetic game for YouTube, and I added a candle to my little setup. Wow. 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 Hi, I'm back. I put on some makeup, if you couldn't tell. So it is 12:13 and I just finished having lunch. Lunch was so good today. It was so filling. I had 30 grams of almond butter, which was kind of hard for me to like scoop out because I keep my almond butter in the fridge and usually it's fine, but today it was like extra hard. I paired that with some celery. So I just recently learned that you're supposed to keep celery in water when you cut it up. I don't know how I've gone my whole life without knowing this, but it has been a lifesaver. I cut up the celery over a week ago and it is still fresh and crisp and green. It's not browning or anything like that. So definitely recommend putting celery in water if you don't already do that. So celery and almond butter is one component of my lunch. For the other component, I'm having some tuna, and I just use the little Star-Kiss pouches of tuna in water because you don't have to drain them. It's very convenient, and one pouch is 1 serving. So I just dump that in a bowl and then put in about 30 grams of mayonnaise. It ended up being a little bit less here, but that's about 2 tablespoons. And I use the Duke's avocado oil mayonnaise. I really like to season my tuna, so I put in some dried dill and some salt and a little bit of pepper. To add a little bit of extra goodness, I put in half of an avocado too. Usually I stir this all up, but I really wanted the big chunks of avocado this time, so I just scooped them right on top. I really also wanted some cheese, so I'm using my all-time favorite cheese, which is the Kerrygold Dubliner cheese, and I cut off 1 ounce of it and it ended up being exactly 1 ounce, which I've literally never done before, so I was very pleased with myself. It's the little things, y'all. And that was my lunch. I made sure to fill up my Tequila water bottle with fresh filtered water, and I had that along with my meal, and I am so full now. The reason that I'm so full is because that lunch was packed with really good healthy fats from the avocado and the almond butter. Without those things, I probably would start feeling hungry within the next couple of hours, but this lunch will keep me full until dinner time. Also, just as a general side effect from eating low carb, I have had such a decrease in my appetite. And I talked about this in one of my past videos. I think it was the how I lost 19 pounds in 1 month video. Whichever video it was, I'll make sure to add it, and it'll pop up on one of these corners and you can just click it and watch it if you haven't. I just remembered that I'm supposed to eat that yogurt as a snack. I have it planned, but like I'm very full right now. So if I don't get hungry, I'm not gonna do the yogurt. I'm sorry for everyone that only watched this video to watch me try the yogurt. I'm not saying I won't, but I'm also saying that I'm not gonna force myself to eat when I'm not hungry. So we'll see how the day plans out. Okay, so that's it for now. I guess I'll see you back for dinner if I don't have anything else to film between now and then. Well, y'all, I just put dinner in the oven. It's gonna be like an hour before it's ready, and I'm hungry. So you know what that means? It's time to try the yogurt. For those of you that did not watch the video where I talked about getting this, which I will leave in one of these corners. I can never remember which one. This is Kite Hill Artisan Almond Milk Yogurt. And it is plain unsweetened yogurt and only has 2 net carbs. So I think it's gonna taste bad at first. I feel like I can add accoutrements and things to jazz it up a little bit to make it less bad. But I want to do just a flat taste test with nothing else, just the yogurt. Let me read what it says on the side, what the company has to say. At Kite Hill, we decided it was that's my reading voice, by the way. At Kite Hill, we decided it was finally time for someone to make truly great tasting plant-based foods that are good for you and the environment. We started with luscious and creamy whole almond milk and add live active cultures, but no added sugar, to produce the most scrumptious and versatile non-dairy yogurt. Enjoy! We'll see about that, Kite Hill. Dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, and vegan. I am none of those things. I opened it. Okay, so it smells like just plain yogurt to me. It doesn't have an off-putting smell immediately. And I don't know if you can see in there, but it's like kind of jiggly. It looks and feels like yogurt. We're off to a good start. Okay, it's a little lumpy, but we're gonna ignore that. Okay, so it's weird a little bit, but already by the second bite, I was used to it. That first initial taste though, prepare yourself. If you try this, just know going in that first taste is gonna be a little weird. The aftertaste is yogurt, to me anyway. It definitely has a distinctly different taste than any other yogurt I've ever had. And it's the almonds, probably, most likely, because that's the only thing that's different. It kind of just tastes like sour almond milk. Definitely would not eat this plain. Like, I'm not gonna finish this thing right now. I'm probably gonna save this until after dinner, and I'm gonna chop up 2 or 3 strawberries with it and have that, and I think that's going to make a world of difference, because this isn't a good snack on its own. It's just not. But I commend them for making a yogurt for people that are dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, and vegan, and also who eat low carb, because I've really been looking for a yogurt for a really long time. And if anyone has any suggestions for other yogurts I might try, please let me know in the comments, because I love yogurt. I love it so much, and I've been missing it. And I think I'm definitely gonna probably get more of these, but I'm totally open to options. Okay, yeah, that was the last bite. Okay, well, thanks for watching me eat yogurt. I'm gonna go check on dinner, and I will update y'all after I eat that and basically just wrap the video up. See ya! Surprise! I'm back in the kitchen. I really just like to keep y'all on your toes. That's the only reason for my constant change of scenery. Dinner was so good. I had pork tenderloin and broccoli, and this is my first time ever cooking a pork tenderloin, and I thought that I did it wrong because when I took it out of the oven, it had this big crack down the middle, and I was like, oh my god, I cooked the thing upside down. I am a failure. But once I moved it to the cutting board, it kind of just like separated into 2 perfectly cylindrical pieces that I was then able to slice into these cute little medallions. So it worked out. I still don't know if that was the correct way to do it, but it was edible. And then the only other thing that I have planned to eat today is my snack, which you saw me try the yogurt earlier. Didn't want to finish the whole thing because it was kind of nasty plain. So what I'm going to do is have a little snack slash dessert and just mix it with some strawberries. Just probably like 3 strawberries tops because they're kind of sugary and I don't want to overdo it on those. So yeah, I never eat dessert, so this is a little treat for me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my full day of low carb eating. I think I ended up under 15 carbs today, which is very good, way under what I usually try to reach, and probably around 1,200 calories or so. Oh, big update, well not big update, but update. I am changing my filming schedule, so this video is actually going to be posted on Monday. It's Sunday right now, and usually I would edit it all tonight and post it tonight, but that is becoming a little hard to maintain. So I'm going to post my what I eat in a day videos on Mondays now. Last week, technically we'll only have had 2 videos because this video that you're watching was supposed to be the 3rd video, but I decided to start with my new filming schedule with this video. So my new schedule will be Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, and I think that is perfectly spaced out for me. It's easy to maintain, and I'm glad I know my limits. Thank you for watching as always. If you want to see more from me, please hit the subscribe button down below or at the end of the video, and that way you can see more videos from me. I post mainly weight loss and health related videos if you weren't paying attention in the beginning when I mentioned that. No shade. Yeah, that's it. I'll see y'all on Wednesday for another weigh-in. Bye.